morning I was reading an article and I came across this. Onion farmers fume as to central agencies release buffer stock. Why are farmers angry about this decision? The reason could be releasing the buffer stock at the wrong time, which has affected the prices. So, why does this matter? Let me explain. Every day, the Department of Consumer Affairs monitors prices of 22 essential commodities like pulses and vegetables across 550 reporting centers throughout India. This data helps the government make important decisions about releasing buffer stocks of items like gram, tur, urad, moong, masoor, and onion. But here's the catch, these decisions can sometimes be mistimed, affecting both farmers and consumers. That's where Anaj Darpan comes in. Our system aims to solve this by forecasting the prices of these 22 commodities using advanced AI and machine learning models. Our model analyzes price trends not just based on historical and emerging trends, but also considers factors like weather conditions, crop production estimates, market intelligence inputs, and even policy changes. For instance, if a region experiences drought or a pest infestation, Anaj Darpan factors this into its predictions. But it's not just about predicting prices. We also help the government stabilize market fluctuations by suggesting when to release stocks from the buffer. By providing a clear buffer release schedule, we ensure that actions are taken at the right time, preventing price crashes or spikes. In essence, Anaj Darpan is a comprehensive market stabilization and price monitoring system designed to make agricultural commodity markets more predictable and fair, both for the farmers and the consumers. With our forecasts and real-time data from 550 reporting centers, we offer a powerful tool that helps maintain balance in the market. On top of that, our system supports decision makers by providing visual insights like real-time price charts and buffer release alerts, making the complex data easy to understand and act upon. In short, with Anaj Darpan, we aim to modernize the agricultural market, ensuring that the decisions on buffer stock releases are always timely and data driven. Whether it's predicting the price of onions or forecasting the need for buffer releases, Anaj Darpan is the key to a more stable and efficient market.